guys, my name is Dominique, also known as Dominique's Vanity Corner, and today I want to share with you guys how I protect my natural hair for protective styles. So first things first, this hair right here. So this is a wig by Fashion Source. It is the EZLV, and this is a box that comes in, and it's a front lace wig. So right here, you can see the lace, but yeah. It's one of this is actually the first wig I've ever worn that I did not make my own. But I love all type of protective styles. I love wigs, I love weaves, I love crochet braids, I love braids. So protective styles are key for styles have really been key through my whole natural hair journey. Rastafari was the first company I found that had like hair texture that matched my own. So it really helped through that transitional phase. I didn't feel or look ugly because of the hair. And that helped tremendously when I was going through that awkward natural hair phase, because who wants to look crazy? So let's go ahead and just dive into it on how I protect my natural hair when I get protective styles. So number one, you want to make sure your hair is clean. So I like to use it like a clarifying shampoo to get rid of all that extra buildup I may have had from my past hairstyle. Make sure your base, your natural hair is super, super clean. Number two, always deep condition. Your hair needs moisture. I don't know how else you want your hair to grow, but it needs moisture to grow. So I always deep condition my hair, and then I follow it up with a quality leave-in conditioner. My hair is super thick, super kinky, so I need something super thick that's gonna get into it. Nothing really water-based, more of a creamy base. And that gets me into my third step, which is moisture. I like to use Rastafari's, of course, the creamy rejuvenator, and it's super thick. You see this? This is the type of products I use because my hair is super thick, so I need a super thick product. I need something. Let me just tell y'all something. Oils don't moisturize your hair. Water is the only thing that can moisturize your hair. So when after you like deep condition and you have the leave-in conditioner in, make sure your hair is still kind of damp, not soaking wet, not dripping wet, but damp. So you can seal in all that water with an oil, which is cool, or something like this. I would recommend a product, something creamy, a shea butter or a cocoa butter for growing your hair while you're maintaining protective styles. Number two, number three, number four, I don't know. Next step, you want to make sure you don't braid your hair too tight. So the edges, I never braid my edges. I could, but I don't like to because I don't have time to try to, deal with that. I don't want to lose my hair. Let's just say that. I don't want to lose my hair. And when you braid too tight or you braid on your edges, there is a possibility you can have permanent hair damage. So don't braid too tight around the perimeter of your hair or just in general, because if it pulls out from your hair follicles, the inside, you don't get anything from this. I just want you to get moisturized, moisturized, moisturized. Always moisturize your natural hair. That's key. Protect the styles at nighttime. If you have a wig, take it off, put it on the mannequin. If you have crochet braids, put it in a pineapple, wrap that scarf, braids, wrap a silk scarf around it, silk or satin. But that's how you really protect your hair. The style can last as long as you want to, but don't go overboard. Because if you do, it may be worse off than it was before. And I just recommend leaving a protective style in no longer than 8 weeks and moisturizing as much as you need to. If it's once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, just listen to your hair and see if it's dry. That's all. That's it. So I hope, I know that was a lot, but I hope that helped. I hope I can help you on your natural hair journey. You can follow me at Dominique's Vanity Corner and just ask me any questions. Always DM me. I'm always here to help. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. And thank you, Rastafari, for letting me take over your Instagram. Bye. Mwah.